Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today I'm going to take you through a tool that's as fun as it is functional, one that promises salon-quality curls with the simple touch of a button. We're talking about the Beachwaver B1 rotating curling iron. If you've been looking for a way to achieve those effortless, long-lasting waves without a professional stylist, this one might just be the answer. Let's dive right into how it performs and whether it's really worth the hype. The Beachwaver B1 is a 1-inch ceramic rotating curling iron that makes curling hair so easy, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it sooner. The rotating barrel does most of the work for you. Just press a button and it spins to create soft, natural waves or tighter curls depending on the setting. It also comes with a couple of nice features like auto shut-off for peace of mind and dual voltage, which makes it perfect for travel. When I first tried it, I was honestly skeptical about how easy it would be to use. I've tried my fair share of curling irons, and let's be real, most of them require a bit of skill and patience to get right. But with the Beachwaver B1, the learning curve was almost non-existent. I simply pressed the button, and within seconds I had beautiful, bouncy waves that lasted all day. The ceramic barrel heats up quickly and provides that smooth, frizz-free finish we all want in a curling iron. But does it really work for all hair types? I tested it on both my hair and my friend's wavy, thicker hair, and it did a solid job on both. The iron's 1-inch size is perfect for creating soft waves, and the rotating mechanism works especially well for getting consistent curls without much effort. Whether you want beachy waves or voluminous curls, it's a versatile tool that adjusts to your needs. Now let's talk about what I loved. First off, the design. It's sleek, lightweight, and easy to handle, which makes styling less of a chore. The ceramic coating ensures that your hair glides smoothly through the barrel without any snagging or pulling. And since it's ceramic, there's less heat damage, meaning your hair stays healthy and shiny. But there are a couple of things to consider. The first is the rotating feature. While it's super convenient for beginners or those who struggle with curling irons, I did find it a little tricky when trying to get really tight curls. The automatic rotation might not give you as much control over the curl's shape and tightness as a traditional curling iron. For those who like more hands-on styling, this might be a bit of a drawback. The price is something to think about too. The Beachwaver B1 isn't the most budget-friendly curling iron out there. While it's definitely more affordable than some professional models, it's still on the pricier side for a tool that does just one thing. That said, its ease of use and the quality of curls it produces justify the investment for most people. In terms of build quality, the Beachwaver B1 feels sturdy and the materials are high quality. I've used it multiple times now, and it still works just as well as it did on day one. The auto shut-off feature gives me peace of mind when I'm in a rush and forget to turn it off. Always a bonus. Plus, the dual voltage makes it perfect for travel, so it's versatile no matter where you are. For those considering an alternative, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are a few solid options on the market. The Revlon Perfect Heat curling iron, for instance, also offers great results at a lower price, though you won't get the rotating feature or the ceramic barrel. But if you're a fan of effortless, high-quality styling, I'd say the Beachwaver B1 is worth every penny. So what's the final verdict? The Beachwaver B1 delivers on its promise of easy, beautiful curls. It's perfect for beginners and anyone looking to save time without compromising on style. If you're willing to invest in a tool that simplifies your styling routine while ensuring gorgeous, lasting results, this is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this curling iron, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and share your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.